So we're with Infinium Medical, and today we're going to show you the Cleo capnograph patient monitor, and we're going to show you how to measure end-tidal CO2. The Cleo capnograph measures end-tidal CO2, blood pressure, as well as SpO2. To begin measuring CO2 or any of the parameters you wish to, simply turn the monitor on, and once it loads up, we can get started. I'll show you how to measure CO2. Most monitors require an external CO2 module to measure capnography. The Cleo does not. It is a built-in CO2 module, so you can plug your disposables right into the monitor itself. It uses Luer lock fittings, which are generic and very easily available on the market at low prices. The monitor requires a Nafion filter or any type of filter before putting the nasal cannula on. This is a Nafion filter. Plug the Nafion filter onto the Luer lock like so. Then you can take your nasal cannula or sample line, twist it onto the filter, put the cannula on the patient, and within a few seconds you'll start to see the waveform, respiration rate, and CO2. So that's how you measure end-tidal CO2 on a Cleo capnograph monitor. For more information, you can contact your local national med sales representative.